Good day, ROFFS analyst James here, and it is currently Tuesday, November 21st. Happy Thanksgiving, and I hope everyone had a good weekend. Today, we'll be taking a quick look at the ocean conditions that you likely would have encountered if you went offshore from the west coast of Florida and along Alabama and Louisiana to the east coast of Texas. Starting in the eastern Gulf, we continue to observe the main body of the loop current, shown here, as it rotates back into the Florida Straits. Along the northern edges of the loop current, you can see several smaller frontal boundary eddy formations moving in a clockwise direction along the northern edge. While some of this warmer loop current water gets pulled westward towards the south central Gulf of Mexico, occasionally these formations make it all the way around to the eastern side of the loop current, and some of this water gets pulled inshore of the ledges northwest of the Marquesas, shown here. A lot of this warmer water continues to pull northwestward along the shelf off of Fort Myers and Tampa, and continues to move towards the Florida Panhandle area before moving offshore near the DeSoto Canyon area southeast of Mobile. Additionally, we continue to observe the larger clockwise rotating loop current eddy, shown here, to the south of the Mississippi River Delta area. In a similar manner, several larger frontal boundary eddy formations continue to move eastward along the northern edge of this eddy formation. However, while this loop current eddy appears to have deteriorated slightly over the past several days, these frontal boundary eddies continue to get larger over the same time period. This has provided additional warmer water moving into the ledge area off of the Mississippi River Delta and Mississippi Canyon area. Keep in mind the northeastern edges of this warmer water also appear as though it may develop into a clockwise rotating eddy formation in this general area over the next several days. This clockwise rotation may potentially pull some of this warmer, slightly bluer water northwestward off of the Alabama Alps area, off of Mobile. In the western Gulf of Mexico, we have observed relatively unstable oceanographic features off of the Mexico coastline in this general area, really easily seen in our ocean color imagery. You can see this unstable region here as several counterclockwise rotating eddy formations move northwards. However, this warmer, bluer water gets pulled back offshore by a larger clockwise rotation further offshore, combined with a counterclockwise rotation located pretty far offshore of the Flower Gardens area. However, occasionally some of this warmer water does get pulled northwest towards the ledges off of the off of the Aransas Bank area every once in a while as well. To reiterate, we can take a look at our ocean color imagery. You can see the darker blue loop current water continuing to move in a clockwise direction before heading back into the Florida Straits off of Marquesas, while some of this bluer water gets pulled northwards along the shelf. And here you can see the loop current eddy formation with some of the bluer water moving northwest due to this larger counterclockwise frontal boundary eddy. Some of this bluer water may get pulled this way to the northeast. However, you can see there's still some remnant blue-green water off of Mobile moving southwards. And then again, the unstable blue-green water off of Mexico and the bluer water further offshore moving back east before it gets to the Texas border, with occasional pulses of bluer water moving westward off of the Flower Gardens area. Remember, these ocean conditions are always changing, so be sure to head to ROFFS.com or call our office at 321-723-5759 to order updated analyses for each of these areas. Again, we want to wish you a happy Thanksgiving, but keep in mind we will be closed for the holiday on the 23rd and 24th in celebration. So if you're fishing this weekend, uh, be sure to order by tomorrow to see general conditions ahead of the holiday, or we will be open again on Monday, November 27th. Have a great week.